Okay, we'll keep discussing the PowerPoint. So swallowing deglutition in the oral phase, the food is compacted into a bolus, movement into the pharynx, and then peristalsis pushes the food on its way to the stomach. Here's a summary of those phases. We're all intimately familiar with this. Enjoy your food, but eat a lot of plants. What does the stomach do? Temporary storage, churning and mechanical breakdown forms chyme, the liquid suspension. Food is being digested by the acid and enzymes and producing an intrinsic factor. So this is necessary to absorb B12 from your food. The region has 4 regions. The stomach has 4 regions. And here they're all labeled. So the cardia, let's go back, the cardia, the pylorus, and the body. So let's get them all. Do we get them all? The fundus, okay, the body and the pylorus. So here's the fundus, the body, pylorus, and the cardia. The ridges inside the stomach, which increase surface area and also allow the food to be churned and moved around, along with peristalsis and segmentation. The stomach is below the diaphragm and the liver. You can see the mesentery, which is a thin membrane or a band of tissue that holds all the organs in place. Otherwise, organs would be moving around and causing difficulty in avoiding the feeling of parts of the digestive system slamming against your body wall. The mesentery also allows for blood vessels and nerves to get to, and for veins to take blood away from the digestive tract. So what cells secrete in the stomach? Parietal cells secrete acid, an intrinsic factor, which helps for absorption of B12. Cheese cells produce pepsinogen, which is activated by acid. This is for the digestion of protein, mucus, and another hormone, gastrin, is produced by endocrine cells. Mucus helps mix the food up, leads to the formation of chyme, and prepares the food to continue being digested in the small intestine. So the stomach has the 4 layers: the mucosa, the submucosa, the muscularis mucosae, and it has longitudinal muscle and circular muscle. So this muscle is for churning and movement of the food. The mucous epithelium secretes mucus. Blood and nerves and lymphatic vessels are in the submucosa. And we also have an oblique layer of muscle. So the stomach has 3 layers: oblique, circular. Let's go back: oblique, circular, and longitudinal. So the mucosal cells secrete mucus, parietal cells and cheese cells and so on secrete acid and enzymes. The stomach starts the physical breakdown of food and begins digesting proteins. Starch continues to be digested with salivary amylase. Okay, let's stop there.